I am back with a new video, and in today's class I am going to deal with a new chapter of your science, and it is class 7th. Class 7th science chapter. And which chapter is this? It is chapter 10, Respiration in Organism. I hope you heard it well. Respiration in organism. This is the chapter which I am going to deal in this video, and this is the first class. So in this class we have to get through the basic things and the introduction of the chapter. Okay, so let's begin with the chapter's name. What is the name of chapter? Respiration in organism. Respiration in organism. This is the name of the chapter, Respiration in Organism, and in this chapter we have to deal with many concepts. So first of all, I'll start with the definition of respiration. First of all, what is this chapter about? That you must know. So definition so write the definition of respiration. So what is respiration? So first of all, I am going to deal this one so that the basic things must be clear to you. It may be asked in your exam or in exercise questions also. What is respiration? Okay, so when it comes to respiration, then you think about breathing, taking in oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide. Okay, so that is not respiration. Respiration means making energy. Respiration means what? Making energy with the help of exchange of oxygen. Okay, or using oxygen. That is the thing. So write down the definition first. Respiration is the process. Respiration is the process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide for the production of energy using food. This is the thing. So there is many thing in respiration. First of all, it is a process of inhaling and exhaling the gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen. Second thing, it produces energy in our body. What it does? Produces energy in our body. And the third thing, using food. Okay, and that energy is produced using the food that you have eaten in your lunch or breakfast. Okay, that is the thing. So respiration is a process of inhaling and exhaling the gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen. Using those gases, oxygen gas, we produce energy using the food we have in our body. That is the thing. So this is the definition of respiration, which was very important. Note this one, then we will move forward to some more concepts. Coming forward to the next definition, which is cellular respiration. Give this a point, cellular respiration, and we will define this one also. What is cellular respiration? This is the next point which we are going to discuss. So what is cellular respiration? So you got the definition of respiration. You have the definition of respiration, that what is respiration. So when this respiration happens inside our cells, the cells of our body, or the cells of a plant, or the cell of any organism, okay, so when the respiration takes place inside any cell, then this is called cellular respiration. Okay, so write down the definition. The breaking down of food, into the cells with the release of energy is called cellular respiration. This is the definition of cellular respiration. Okay, this was the second point which we must know about this. First point was respiration, then this one is cellular respiration. So when breaking down of food happens inside the cells of the body, it means the food breaks down into what? Energy. Okay, so this process takes place inside cell. It means respiration is happening inside the cell, and this process is called cellular respiration. Okay, coming forward to another main point which I am going to deal in. There are actually 2 points which I will deal in single concept only, so it will be easier for you to understand. So it is aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So aerobic means using air and anaerobic means without air. So here you can see it is air and it is an air. It means it is without air and it is with air. Or in other words, we can say it is respiration using oxygen and it is respiration using it is respiration without using oxygen. So write down the definition of both. Breaking down of food using oxygen, and this one is breaking down of food without using oxygen. So this is the basic definition and the basic difference between the both. So this is the only point which is important in aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Note this one, then I am going to move forward to next point. So this is the introduction of this chapter, and in this class I am going to deal with the basic definitions only. Okay, and from next class I will deal with many processes which are in our concept. So coming forward, coming forward to the next point, which is very important. So when we talk about humans, then we do what we do: aerobic respiration or anaerobic respiration. Obviously, aerobic respiration, we use air and we use oxygen to respire. Okay, but in our body sometimes anaerobic respiration also takes place when we don't have sufficient water or sufficient oxygen in our body. Okay, in case of insufficient water or insufficient oxygen in our body, our cells try to do anaerobic respiration, and they do it, and while doing that our cells produce lactic acid in our muscles, and when muscles inside the muscle lactic acid produces, then we feel the cramp. So it happens when you do physical exercise more or very much in your daily routine, then cramps happens. So note this one. In our body, sometimes our cells does anaerobic respiration. When lack of oxygen or water takes place in our body. Okay, so first of all, understand this thing. In our body sometimes our cells does anaerobic respiration. हमारे सेल्स कभी कभी एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन करते हैं, लेकिन कब करते हैं? व्हेन लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन और वाटर टेक्स प्लेस इन आवर बॉडी. जब हमारे बॉडी में लैक ऑफ वाटर होगा या लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन होगा. ऑब्वियसली अगर आपके बॉडी में पानी की कमी होगी तो ऑब्वियसली ऑक्सीजन की भी कमी होगी. सो आगे बढ़ते हैं. इन आवर बॉडी, इन सच सिचुएशन our muscles produces lactic acid by doing anaerobic respiration. This causes cramps. Okay, this is the point I want to clear. And in such situation, when our body start doing anaerobic respiration, in such situation muscles produces lactic acid, and when this lactic acid produced by doing anaerobic respiration, there it causes cramps, and then cramps happens in our muscles. So जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा खेलोगे तो आपके बॉडी में पानी की ऑब्वियस सी बात है कमी होगी, बिकॉज स्वेटिंग होती है खेलने से, बॉडी बहुत ज़्यादा, अगर आप फिजिकल वर्क करोगे तो स्वेटिंग होगी, पानी अगर कम पियोगे उस टाइम पे तो स्वेटिंग होगी एंड आपके बॉडी में पानी की कमी होगी, ऑक्सीजन की कमी होगी। ऑक्सीजन की कमी क्यों होगी? बिकॉज आप जब फिजिकल एक्टिविटी उस समय कर रहे होगे तो आप काफ़ी तेज़ सांस ले रहे होगे, तो ऑक्सीजन हमारे बॉडी को उस समय सफिशिएंट नहीं मिल पाता। इन दैट केस क्रैम्प्स होते हैं प्लेयर्स को, जैसा आपने टीवी मैचेस में भी देखा होगा। अगर क्रिकेट मैच आप देखते हो तो प्लेयर्स को क्रैम्प्स होते हैं, या फिर फुटबॉल मैचेस, किसी भी तरह के मैचेस आप देखो जहाँ पे फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ होती है वहाँ प्लेयर्स के साथ क्रैम्प्स होते हैं। ओके, सो दिस इज़ एक्चुअली अ रीज़न कि हमारे मसल्स में क्रैम्प्स होते क्यों हैं। ओके, तो ये क्यों होते हैं? हमारा सेल्स, जब हमारे बॉडी में पानी की कमी हो जाएगी, ऑक्सीजन की कमी हो जाएगी, तो हमारे सेल्स एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन करने लगते हैं एंड एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन होते ही हमारे सेल्स के अंदर एक एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होता है, और वो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होता है लैक्टिक एसिड के फॉर्म में। ओके, एंड जब लैक्टिक एसिड हमारे मसल्स में बनेगा तो मसल्स में क्रैम्प्स आएंगे। आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड इट वेल। सो आई विल कंटिन्यू दिस क्लास in next video. Till then, make your notes very well and try to understand the concept. Thank you, class.